I'm filming today because I got a new camera. Everything that I have filmed so far, pretty much from a little over a year, has all been on my iPhone. Before that, I filmed some stuff on my DSLR, but my DSLR it works really well for photos. It's so old that I was actually able to get higher quality video, like HD video, on my phone that I wasn't able to get with the Canon Rebel that I have. So yeah, I got this camera finally, and I'm so excited about it. Like, I couldn't be happier. I will also link this for anyone else who is interested. This is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. This is actually a really popular vlogging camera, although they have a newer edition, which is the Mark III. But when I was doing my research, I don't know, I found a lot of videos where people weren't loving the Mark III, so I decided to just go with the Mark II. I was also contemplating the Sony, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, I'll insert the text, but it's like a really popular vlogging camera as well. I was comparing the two. I ended up going with the Canon just because I've had a Canon camera in the past, so I'm already like a little bit more familiar with how Canon works. I was also watching a lot of comparison videos, and a lot of them said that this is actually better for a beginner, and I would consider myself more of a beginner, especially when it comes to video, so this one is supposed to be a little bit easier to use. I know multiple people who have this one and really like it. I do know one person in real life who has the Sony, and she loves that one, but she's also a professional photographer, whereas a lot of the people who I know who have this are more like on my level. So and this one's also a couple $100 cheaper than the Sony, so I went with this one. Let's open it up. Ooh, there's like a lot of paperwork. I'm one of those people who actually does reference the manual, so I won't read it like cover to cover, but I'm probably gonna skim through this because I do kind of like manuals and guides. Here's what the camera looks like. I went ahead and attached my handle on this side just because when this screen flips up, it's over here, and I just felt like, I don't know, I just felt like it would be less in the way on this side, but I can always switch it back. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep it on that side or not. And I did see little cases for these. I saw like a lot of like silicone cases. I was thinking about ordering one, a beige one. I'll like link it below. They're only like $12, but if anybody has thoughts on that, who has this camera, like whether or not it's worth it to get the little case. I heard it mostly just protects against scratches. Let me know. I also ordered, and it's still on the way, a little screen protector for this. I'll link that too for anyone who wants them. And then you can see it has like an HDMI port, but it also has a Wi-Fi button. One cool thing about this camera is you can connect it with an app, like if you want to put stuff on your phone. Hopefully you can do that with the laptop too. If not, it's fine, because I usually use the SD card to transfer bigger files like that anyway. But it has like a Wi-Fi cord, so if you take pictures and stuff, you can just send it right to your phone. Or if you take like a little TikTok video, send it right to your phone. It does have a little flash right here. And then this is where like the microphone is. You cannot attach an external mic to this, but that's fine. And then right in the bottom is where the SD card and the battery goes. I have already charged up my battery, so let's go ahead. This will be my first time like actually turning this camera on. One thing I have to get used to is when you close it, you have to slide it shut again. I think on my old camera I just pushed. So let me see how to make a video, and then I can compare the footage. Oh yeah, but let me show you. Y'all are gonna see, I don't even have my phone on a tripod right now. It's on some lotion in front of the window for that natural light. But here's like, you can see whatever is on the screen. It's having a hard time focusing, but I think that's because it's literally like against a window. Pretty much anytime you take a picture or video right against the light source, that's kind of happens. But let me see. Oh, that's a picture. Okay, how do I make... Ooh, that picture is crisp though. And everything's on the automatic settings too. Oh, here's the video. I haven't like adjusted any setting. It's very bright. Oh, my pillows are falling. Oh, okay, I'm filming now. So let me just see. I think it's on autofocus. There we go. You can see like how long it took to focus was just a second. I have it right next to my iPhone. That way you can see like the side-by-side comparison of the video. I mean, I can only tell based on like the screen right now. Like I can't really tell yet because it's not on my computer, but I already feel like this is like crisper, and it almost feels brighter And then one thing, some people are complaining about the focus, so let's try it. First, let's see how fast the iPhone focus is. Now let's see how fast the camera focuses. That's not bad. I'm not mad at that at all. Okay, that time took a little bit longer, but I'm not mad at that. So right now you're listening to iPhone audio, so that way you can hear how the mic, just the natural mics that they come with. And now you're listening to the Canon GX Mark II audio. I just wanted to give you all a little comparison because this is the type of stuff that I was interested in upgrading from, you know, my phone to a camera. And then I want to see, hold on, I want to see if I can try a different setting or white balance just to see what it's hitting for. Okay, I'm gonna have to play around with this later, so if you guys want tips and tricks after I've figured it out, let me know. Okay, so it looks like I have to change the white balances while I'm not in the frame. I'm just gonna try, ooh, I feel like the shade white balance looks nice because I kind of like that warm tone. But I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with the cloudy one because it's cloudy outside. Here is the cloudy white balance, and it is cloudy outside, just that way you can see what it looks like when the white is balanced out versus just an auto if you wanted to, you know, do one simple step change. I've considered that pretty simple because you don't, it's easy to just, you know, go in and change. Well, it looked like it wasn't easy because I've never used this camera before, but it's not that hard to change a white balance. That's basically all that I have to say, besides expect to be seeing more vlogs from me because I've got this camera to go out and vlog with without running my phone battery out now. So if y'all want to see some vlogs coming up, go ahead and subscribe. If there's any other questions or whatever that you have about this camera or anything like that, I guess just let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Sorry if my eyes are going back and forth. I have both the phone and the camera on right now, so I don't know where to look. But yeah, ciao.